Good morning students. Welcome back to LKMU online class. I hope you all are reading course book at your home and you all are doing well. So in last video we all have understood what is Windows operating system. So in this video we are going to learn what is the components of the Windows and how operating system works for our laptop, computer or any desktop computer. So we are going to see what are the different type of components in the Windows 10 and we are going to see that how to change the desktop background. So let's start with some topics. So students, in last video we all have discussed about starting Windows. If we turn on the computer, that screen that is called Windows. After starting the computer, the first screen that present on the desktop, that is called desktop. So I will show you one example of the desktop. Example, this is my computer and I turned on this computer. So this screen, this over screen is called desktop. This screen is called desktop. Here you can see some small images, one line downside. So these are the icons and this is task bar. So we are going to see what is icon and then after we are going to see what is the task bar and the different type of buttons on the task bar. So students, first component we are going to see on the desktop is icon. So icon means small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Example, I am showing you some picture. This is the one type of icon. This PC, this is a my computer icon. If we double click on the icon, we can open anything. This is the icon. Example, I will show you in my desktop. This PC, you can see here this PC. If I double click on this window will open. So this is this PC icon. Now next is recycle bin. You can see the dustbin kind of box here. Dustbin kind of box here. So if I double click on the recycle bin, all the deleted files will become on the recycle bin. So these are the icons. These all are the icons. These are the folders, file, different kind of folders. These all are folders, something files and programs and so many things are there. Example, these are the files. These all are files. So we are going to see the desktop, different type of folders, programs and icons. So this is the taskbar. In downside, we are going to see one line. This is called taskbar. In taskbar, we have start button. This is the start button. Search options. Here we can see the time. This is peak button where we can see time. Here we can see the notifications. Notifications means where we can see the time. Here some programs, those who are open that programs are shown on the task bar. So here is the Windows 10 taskbar image is shown in our course book. That is page number 32. Here this is start button. Here we can search the file, that is search button. And these all are frequently used and open program. What programs we are going to open, that are shown in between. This is notification area and last timing, that is called peak button. So we are going to see one by one these buttons, how they work. Start button, it appears at the left corner of the taskbar and we can search many programs by using taskbar. If I click on the start button, this kind of page will open. Okay. Then after search box. Using search box, we can quickly look for the programs or an application. We can search any kind of files by writing on the search button. Example, I can show you my Windows 8. First of all, I will click on start button. Here you can see search. If I want to search paint, I will write paint and then after I can easily search the file on the computer. Then after, next is notification area. You can see this picture. Here so many icons are there, small pictures are there. It is present at the right corner of the taskbar. It displays the time, date and group of small icons that tell us about the status of something program running. If some programs is running, it will show on the notification area. Next is peek button. Peek button means it is in the notification area only. Clicking this button minimize opened windows and display the desktop. Peek button means, example, you can see my laptop screen. If I click on the peek button, so desktop will appear. Automatically desktop will appear if I click on the peek button. So peek button is used for opening the desktop easily. So students, as you show this picture, this is the picture on my desktop. This is a one kind of picture on my desktop. So I want to change this background. I want to change the background of this picture. So how I will do? First of all, I will show you some steps. First is, I will right click on anywhere blank area on the desktop. Then after one shortcut button menu displayed. Then after I will click on personalize option. In personalize setting windows open background option on the left panel. Then after I will choose picture as a drop down list. I will show you in the picture. You can see on your course book also. First step, choose the personalize. Step 2, first step, right click on the screen. Then after step 2, personalized. Step 3, background. Step 4, choose the picture. And step 5, select the picture and you can change the picture automatically. I can show you one picture. Example, I can right click again, then after personalize option, then after desktop background, and I can select the pictures. And then after I will click and automatic the picture will be changed. So this kind of things we can change on the Windows 10. This is the way to change the Windows background. Students, next topic is components of a Windows. Components of a Windows means the form of a rectangle area surrounded by the borders is called windows. These borders all are called windows. We can open multiple file windows at the same time work on the computer. So now I will show you one example, that is of Paint program. Here I can discuss you the components, how Paint programs components are shown in this picture. First of all is title bar. Title bar means where the name is written. Here untitled paint is written, that is called title bar, where the display name is shown. It appears at the top of the window. Then after minimize button, you all know this. This is the minimize button. In my laptop also I will show you. This is a minimize button. I can minimize the file or a program by using the minimize. Then after maximize, by using the maximize button, I can do the small and long size of a window by using maximize. I can full screen of the window. Then after cross button means this button is used to close a window. This button is used to close a window. Then after restore down button. Restore down button means here this is the restore bar. Again we can restore by this button. We can maximize the file by using the restore button. Then after ribbon means here you can see so many parts are there. Clipboard, image, shapes, colors. So these all are the different groups. These all are different groups in a one line. This overall line is called as a ribbon. It is called as a ribbon. It is a below from the title bar. It is a below from the title bar. Then after work area means where we are going to do the computer work, where we are going to paint the program, that is called work area. Then after scroll bar means, example you can see on my also computer, this line, this kind of line I am using up and down for doing the files up and down. This is called a scroll down scroll bar. Scroll is then horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical. So these two type of bars are there, vertical and horizontals. I hope you all have clear about all the topics that I have taught you in this video. So you all have to read the page number 29 to 35 to understood the concept very well. So I will ask you in the Zoom class. Bye students, be safe, stay home.